Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Hey, we're talking garbage disposals today. And in the event that your disposal is not turning off when you flip the switch to the opposition, before you get stressed out or call anyone, it might be an extremely easy fix. Let's take a look. We have made our way to the kitchen, and to the left of the main faucet, you can see an outlet and a switch, and that switch is specifically for our garbage disposal only. And coming down below to look at our garbage disposal, as you see right there. And to the right of that, we have a GE reverse osmosis system. However, let's go inside here and take a look at the power cord coming out of the very bottom of our disposal. And coming up to our outlet or receptacle, as you see, the outer cap or cover is labeled disposal on top, dishwasher on the bottom, and that is by design. That is for a very specific purpose or reason. And DIYers, I'm not going to get into the configuration wise or wire connections on the backside or inner side of the receptacle. However, again, that cap is labeled for a reason. Disposal on the top, dishwasher on the very bottom. And in the event that we accidentally plug the garbage disposal into the dishwasher labeled outlet or bottom portion of that receptacle, our garbage disposal will not turn off. I am going to bring it in and actually connect it to our disposal up top. As you see right there. And I will come up top, turn the water on, direct it directly into our garbage disposal, and turn the switch on. Garbage disposal is running, and I can turn it off with the switch. As you see, right there. Again, the outlet down below or receptacle is properly configured wire connection wise on the inner side to allow that switch to operate our garbage disposal, both turning it on and off by, again, that switch only. However, coming down below, I'm going to turn the water on. In the event that I remove this carefully and plug it into the dishwasher, again, the garbage disposal is now running and the switch is off. And the operation or switch itself no longer controls the disposal. As you see there, come up top, turn that off. So again, DIYers, in the event that your outlet or receptacle down below is not labeled and you accidentally plug the garbage disposal into the wrong plug, your garbage disposal is not going to turn off. Take a step back, and DIYers, all I did next was carefully plug the garbage disposal back into the upper plug of that inner outlet, and I'll turn the water back on. Over the disposal. And the switch will operate the garbage disposal properly. So DIYers, that is a common cause. We hope this helps. In addition, down below in the comments and description will be a link on installing a GE reverse osmosis system. We love it. It is awesome. In addition, in the event that your garbage disposal has a very foul or unfriendly smell, it's time to clean it. And that video link will be scrolling above as well as down below in the comments and description, and we use this product right here. We hope this helps. Do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.